Let's divide the problem from the very beginning upstream, कि उसको छोटे problems में parse कर दें. कि उसको अगर if that is an engineering query, send it to an engineering, neural network. Although if it is a legal query, send it to a legal neural network. Divide the problem. And they came up with a much cheaper and better solution called DeepSeek.
Yeah.
Our society is obsessed with success. Marks are not true indication of a person's intelligence. But we say, नहीं, marks अच्छे आने चाहिए. कुछ भी करो, marks अच्छे. पूरी पढ़ाई is based on marks only. गलत है. पढ़ाई गलत है. मैं बोलूं पूरे education system रद्दी है. Because today, I can learn whatever I need to learn by looking at YouTube or looking at, ways of doing things. What I need to be able to stimulate is, can I come up with a new idea based on this? Use these techniques to solve something else, something different. That is innovation. 65,000 kids go to Kota to study just to pass an JEE. All 65,000 of them are killing their brain cells. You think they are being creative by going to Kota? Do you think they'll become next generation entrepreneurs? We are wasting entire generations because we have a Naukri mindset. Naukri chahiye bhai. All of our IIT kids also, tomorrow I'm giving a talk at IIT, 90% of them get jobs at JP Morgan, at XYZ, Morgan Stanley. Engineering kahan kar rahe ho? Critical thinking kahan kar rahe ho? The best and brightest are doing that. Where can you expect a DeepSeek?
True. मुझे बात करना है द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स और इंडिया के बिजनेस मॉडल्स पे. ऐसा क्यों होता है कि जब यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स में कोई बिजनेस कर रहा है वो ज़्यादा सक्सेसफुल होता है मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स, नॉट ऑलवेज, बट इंडिया में वही चीज़ नहीं हो पाती है क्योंकि हमारे पास जो माइंडसेट है, आज अब देखेंगे तो गूगल, फेसबुक, ये सारी जो बड़े टेक कंपनीज हैं उनके जो सीईओज हैं, हेड्स हैं, वो सब इंडियन हैं, इंडियन ओरिजिन से हैं. तो वही अपॉर्चुनिटी इंडिया में क्यों नहीं मिल रही है उन्हें? क्योंकि ब्रेन तो है.
नहीं, it's a very simplistic way of looking at it. They have gone through a system. They are managers. They've done great. They managed great companies, but many of them didn't start those companies.
Right.
So that's one difference. Second difference is the ecosystem here doesn't support any out-of-box thinking. I have had personal 2 examples, at least. There are more, but at least 2. One in which TRAI actively shut us down. We would have been bigger than WhatsApp had TRAI not done that. तुम ये कुछ violate कर रहे हो. My interpretation, some babu has an interpretation कि you are violating some rules. They are sticklers to rules. Uber broke every taxi cab regulation on planet Earth. Do you think it could have come from India? Zero chance. हाँ, पहले हो गया है तो फिर उसके बाद. That means we are already preconditioned in our minds to copying. पहले कर लो, कोई risk नहीं लेना. New business model means completely new thinking. Everybody will first shut you down. Because mentality, if he's doing something good, pull him down first. Shut him up first. How can you have out-of-box thinking? We are too eager to implement rules. Whereas, like I said, over there, if some kid has an idea of doing something different, out of box, everybody encourages. Achha, they start thinking with you. Achha, aap aisa karoge. What if you try this? You do this. Maybe you can do this, do this. Everybody starts collaborating. यहाँ पर तो सब नहीं होगा. 20 people will tell you नहीं होगा. Nobody will tell you हाँ होगा. If 20 people tell you no होगा, the kid will only say यार भूल जा यार, ये तो सब लोग बोल रहे हैं नहीं होगा, chance ही नहीं होता. क्यों? Why do I go up against my family, this, that? And everybody is telling me, go get a job, go get a job, go get a job. Successful हो. एक तो we are as a society overly obsessed with success. What is success? We should be solving for happiness, not for success. We are a money-obsessed society. Everything is money. Purpose of life is not to make money. Beyond a certain amount, you don't need any money. But you have to be able to think like that. Ki, I'm going to do something that the world will remember me for. Something good. Something that will change planet Earth. Something that will solve a fundamental problem. यहाँ पर प्रॉब्लम्स थोड़ी सॉल्व करते हैं, ये तो पैसे के लिए सॉल्व करते हैं. कितने पैसे बनेंगे? जब हमने हॉटमेल शुरू की थी, आई डिड नॉट इवन नो पैसे बनेंगे या नहीं बनेंगे. ये तो सिर्फ आइडिया क्या था, मेक ईमेल अवेलेबल ऑन द वेब, because that will make it ubiquitous. Previously, I had to access email through a specialized piece of software. Now I can make it available anywhere on the web. That will solve the problem for two people, Jack and myself. We'll do it for the whole world. How will we make money? Well, maybe we'll make it on advertising. Maybe we'll charge people. पता ही नहीं था. कोई इंडियन बिजनेस ऐसे शुरू करते हैं, कोई स्टार्टअप ऐसे शुरू होता है? नहीं, पहले पूरा बिजनेस प्लान लिखते हैं. Business plan likhna is the beginning of the end.
The death of a startup.
Death of a critical thinking startup.
What do you think is the key differences that you have observed in conducting business between these two countries?
Collaboration. Everybody's there to help you. They want your startup to succeed. They'll tell you 10 ways of making. Go ahead. Positive. करो. हम नहीं कर सकते, आप तो कर सकते हो, आप जाके करो स्टार्टअप. जब मैं अपनी जॉब छोड़ रहा था हॉटमेल करने के लिए, all the people who were working in the company said they had a throw-away party. I'm so glad you're doing a startup. I don't know if it'll succeed or not, but at least you have taken the first step. Good luck to you. यहाँ पर everybody is trying to pull you down. नहीं, वो मेरे से आगे निकल जाएगा, वो मेरे से ज्यादा पैसा कमा लेगा. वो सोच ही गलत है. तो एक तो society supports you, system supports you. लोग, somebody, our VCs backed 2 27-year-olds then, which was a big thing, with some money, 300K. मैं ये सोच रहा था इंडिया में तो कोई मुझे 300K in those days नहीं देगा for a crazy idea कि हम email मुफ्त का दे देंगे, मुफ्त का.